Hi, welcome to my video on the second derivative of functions. This is the example, or just video number 1 in that second derivative. Find dy dx over d dx squared. So let's find the second derivative. So d dx on each side. But before I do that, let's change x, 1 over x to the 3 to x to the negative 3. And we use the power rule, so we simplify that. Dx on the y is dy dx, as we said, is a shortcut. And the power rule is negative 3 goes in front, and we decrease it by 1. So dy dx is negative 3x to the 4th. Which, if you wish, you could change to negative 3 all over x to the 4th. Now we'll do d dx on dy dx, and instead of using this one, even though it's simplified, I'll go back to this, negative 3x to the negative 4. So shortcut is d squared y over dx squared, second derivative, negative 3, the power rule, negative 4 is in front, and negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So that becomes 12, and I got that x is not supposed to be there. Sorry for that. So that's x to the 5 as the second derivative. And we have another one here, and we have a quotient, so we'll do pretend we got this is f and this is g. So let's first of all do d dx on each side, and just to keep everything going okay. And so dy dx, so this is a quotient rule, that's f and g, so d dx on f of x times g minus f times the derivative of g, d dx of the g, all over, and this is all over g being squared. So dy dx, and the derivative of x plus 1 in terms of x is 1 minus f derivative of g, the derivative of x plus 4 is 1 all over x plus 4 squared. So that gives us x plus 4 minus x minus 1 all over x plus 4 squared. The x's cancel out, so we get 3 all over x plus 4 squared. Okay, now we got to do dx on this one, so it's dy dx and dx all over 3, and I'm going to change this to a negative, makes it simpler to do instead of using a quotient. So this is dy squared, d squared y, dx squared, and we got a constant here, so the constant goes in front. So this is the power rule, so it's negative 2 in front, x plus 4, and negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, derivative of the inside is 1. So that becomes negative 6, and this is x plus 4, x plus 4 to the negative 3. Again, more examples of doing the second derivative. Just the more examples you can see done, hopefully the more you'll understand. And this brings us to the end. And again, if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. The content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.